People come in here because they are driven by a need to have a set of products that reflects ultimately their core values. When they believe in that product that way, they will sell it effortlessly.
Bodywell manufactures spa-grade skincare cosmetics. In my words, we are a small boat with a big rudder. We have a large array of ingredients. We can easily come up with something that suits a person's needs.
We try to guide people towards making green products, and we have invented and designed a couple of our own preservative systems that would enable a product to be classified as green or natural.
We specialize in doing formulation development, and so a client will come to us with an idea of a skincare product in mind. What we do is try to take their vision and translate that into a real product.
The first and the most important step is the interview stage.
We'll sit down with the client and hear out absolutely everything that they visualize in this product.
The look, the smell, the feel, along with the functionality that they really are going after. We will transpose that into a formula, into a sample. We have superior technologies when it comes to the manufacturing stage, and that, coupled with our understanding of what they require, to me is the secret to the success of their products being effectively marketed.
We make the product, test it, make sure it meets quality control standards, and then fill it off for them into their final packaging. And by then they'll have all their marketing down and they'll be ready to go to the market with full force.
Apart from the product development, we then do the regulatory paperwork to satisfy government regulation and to get their products registered into any foreign market should they require that.
We want you to be fully convinced that you are investing in your values, and we want to be alongside you in order that you do this successfully. People want boutique quantities and boutique quality of products made that are unique in many ways and outstanding in many ways. This is the place.